Welcome to Jothi Silambam Kshakthiriya Gurukulam, and today I am talking about the students' diversion, because the students are learning little bit and then they want to diverting their not only themselves diversion, they're thinking the guideline is changing into the different dimensions, because we are protecting our tradition art, okay, ancient and traditional art. We have to follow the tradition and ancestor arts. So nowadays a couple of my students are diverting out of the history of art. So they have full multiple arts they combine together and teaching, and definitely it's not that I'm happy about it. If one day they will come, definitely they will be. They are not good learner. They are destroying the art. So don't following them and learning with them, because it's not right way to teach, right way to focus on multiple mix up art. You have to learn Maipadam means Maipadam, Karalakattai means Karalakattai. Karalakattai you can name in different name also you can teach, but that is not we are doing. We are doing our traditional arts and ancient art protecting, as well as our health and energy level and everything. Okay, so people who are following the diverted students, please be focused on it. If you have any doubts, you just don't hesitate to call us. Just calling us and we can guide you properly. Learn the traditions and follow the traditions in the future. That's very important, because that is helping us to developing our immune system for future. In the future, there is a lot of illness, sickness. We have to going to face it. So we have to go back reverse back the traditional art, not for the modern art. Don't multiple things, modern and tradition mixed together. Any teachers will do that, completely refuse that. That's very important to do that, to protecting our tradition. Thank you.